Welcome back to the channel. We're on the bench today, and as you can see from my face, I am super excited because I have finally received this from yours and my boy Brian from Amazing RC. Now if you follow Brian's channel, you already know what's in here, and I just couldn't be more pumped about it. And if you don't follow Brian's channel, shame on ya. Get over there, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because if you like my content, you're gonna love his content. Enough of the jibber jabber. Let's see what's inside. The last time I got a package from Brian, it was crazy packed. So I just have a feeling this is going to be not the easiest thing to get into. Brian, you are a packing master, man. I got all this green tape on here. That's just to cover up addresses. Have not opened this up yet. You are witnessing it being opened for the very first time. Eventually. This is going to be a quick video, I think. Up. Here we go. We have give. We have give. Oh, man. Oh. Personalized letter. Yeah, you wasted a good YouTube sticker on this. I gotta get this off without tearing up the letter. I do want to be able to read it. So this is what it says. Jason, I hope this package has made it the long trip safely. It has. Inside, you will find your... I'm not going to give that away yet. With its custom display. Inside this display is a piece of cleaning cloth. Use this or something like it to clean fingerprints off display shell. He gave me like a scratch-resistant towel or something to wipe it off. This guy, Brian, you didn't have to do that. You're awesome, man. These display shells like to scratch also. I included a second car. What? This yellow Audi is also custom made. You sent me another car? Oh man. This car will be the fastest car on any gravity-based Hot Wheels track. Shouldn't let the little one have this unattended due to the fact that the wheels are glued in place. The little one doesn't play with daddy's toys. They should never come off, but just in case. I get that, you know, toddler, you know. Toddlers have a way of destroying the indestructible, so I get it, buddy. Really appreciate you having me build you this awesome Hot Wheels car. Hope you like them. Your homie, Brian. Amazing RC 2022. Love getting personal letters. These days there just isn't enough of these, man. It's all emails and I don't know. Something to be said about old school way, you know? Thank you very much, Brian. Got more newspaper. Let's see what North Carolina newspaper says. Oh, this is a really old newspaper. It's from Wednesday, November 2020. Oh, what? What's this say? Look at this. This is the headline. I'll get what's in the box. Look at this. You'll never find a headline like this in Canada. Woman sells stolen gun to owner via Facebook. Come on, guys. What are you guys doing down there, man? That's just silly. Ah, here's the Audi he was talking about, I assume. And he says this is going to be the fastest gravity track Hot Wheels I own. I'm gonna have to invest in some track now. It's really nice. The wheels on it, yeah, I mean, you can feel how silky they are. And still plastic. The real rider wheels are not the faster ones. They have more grip, which means more friction. And when you want to go down a gravity track, trust me, you don't want friction. This is really nice, man. Made in Thailand. I don't think I have a Hot Wheels from Thailand. Barely need to touch it. That's pretty awesome. pretty awesome. More headlines. Here it is. And he did it. He did it. He sent me the first label he made. He didn't think I'd want it because he said it was a mistake label, but I so wanted it. I was like, I don't care, man. That's awesome. NHRA 69 Charger 014. Brian is doing these things like professionally. So he's numbering them and he's selling them as one-of-a-kind pieces of art, which is what they are after he's finished with them. If a collector ever wants to know, I have Brian's 014, his 14th vehicle that he did. Put it into something nice and safe. Over here. I'm so excited. That's a bubble wrap. Daughter's gonna be happy about that. Oh man, I see it. One of the original things I asked him to do when I told him I wanted a custom vehicle from him was I needed RCWC somehow incorporated, so he made me one of his very special labels and put it on top of the display case. This looks so awesome, man. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open this up now. Oh, check it out. Personalized underneath the stand. It says, to Jason, 69 Charger. ARC 014 ARC, amazing RC, of course. Okay, so this is awesome. He actually took the original card so that you can see what the car originally looked like before he worked on it, before he made it a one-of-a-kind, amazing, amazing work of art. More bubble wrap. Here's the special cloth. Oh, look at it. Dude, it's so nice. It's so nice. Now, I watched your video on this, so I think I got this. I think I'm gonna twist it off. Wow. Oh, man. It may seem like I'm getting a little emotional, and originally when I told him that I wanted a 69 Charger, I think the words I said is, if you want a guaranteed sale, do a 69 Charger. I will definitely buy it. I honestly didn't think he'd be able to find a 69 Charger. I'm sorry, a 69 Charger RT. There are a lot of 69 Chargers by Hot Wheels, but they're the Charger 500s, so they don't come with the split grille and the fold-away headlights. So they look more like the vehicle that the Charger was before it was the Charger, which was the Coronet, I think. And he did it in like a Hemi orange, on a black, a two-tone black. The Hemi orange, a bit of a tribute to a show I grew up with called the Dukes of Hazzard. The car in that show, the General Lee, that's probably the car that as a child made me realize that I loved cars. Like I fell in love with that car, just had a love of vehicles after that. So it's so special to me, this 69 RT Charger. I've dreamt of owning one ever since I was a kid, ever since I saw it. This is awesome, man. Like I said before, I thought he might find it in a green light, you know, or an M2. I never thought that he would actually find a Hot Wheels 69 Charger RT. Am I ever glad he did? Look at those wheels. Look at the offset of those wheels. Look how deep those bad boys are. Oh my God. It's so nice. It's so nice, Brian. I'm so happy. Go on there, and I rarely take it off of there. So what you got to see there, it's not going to happen too often. Look at that, guys. Look at the stand, man. You see this label? Don't take that for granted. He made that label. It's priceless, guys. You know, I'm not even going to say what I paid for this because I'm never going to sell it to anybody. So it doesn't really matter. You're never going to buy it from me for that. So I'm not going to tell you. Make me an offer and I'll turn it down. say everything has a price. Well, not everything, folks. Not everything. That is fantastic. Well, there you go, guys. Full custom, amazing RC 69 Charger. I'm going to leave you now. I'm going to say keep on RCing, keep on Hot Wheeling, keep on keeping on. Ciao for now.